The deep ocean. There's a fish named George. And George liked boats. He was kind of curious inside the ocean, though not that much. But his favorite part is swimming inside the waves. And then after that, George and these other kids went to school. And now they are going in their class. Hey yo, look at this. Look at this guy. Yeah. What's up, bro? What's up, Did you been talking to Stacy? No, though I wish. Alright, you better. Hey yo, bro, you brought the snacks? I might bring them, though I don't know. Yeah, you would know. Oh
Did
my
that kid
god,
just
they
got
actually
hit?
just hit that guy. Yo, what happened to you? It's all good. Nothing happened. One day later, I'm gonna find out who did this. It's alright. Nah. I'm gonna find out who did this now. Oh, you're the one who did this. Yeah. Principal, you know what to do. I'm sorry. I won't do it again, please. I won't throw paper at him. Please. Nah. This story is about don't judge a book by their cover.